Hello guys, today we are starting a series on HTML5 for beginners, and this is the first video in the series. So first we'll know what is HTML. It stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it was developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989. HTML is a very easy language which is used to make web pages that can be displayed in a web browser. And web browsers are of many types like Opera, Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge. And presently we are using HTML5, which is its fifth version. Some of the versions of HTML are as you can see on your screen. So let's talk about some features of HTML. HTML document can be written in any text editor like Notepad, Notepad++, or any other text editor. But you should always save that document with .htm or .html file extensions. File extensions are used to give an identification to a file in the computer. Like you may have .pdf for PDF files, .ppt for presentations, .jpg or png for images. In the same way, HTML has .htm or .html. And it is not case sensitive, which means that the tags you write in HTML can be in the lowercase or uppercase. It doesn't matter. Let's see about the elements of an HTML file. So the HTML file consists of text with tags, and the tags are enclosed within the angular brackets. These tags tell the browser how to present the text or the pictures. You can see this is a sample HTML document which I have written in Notepad++ text editor. So here you can see that every HTML file must start with a doctype HTML tag. And then you have to give the HTML tag. All the documents should end with the HTML tag and start with the HTML tag. Then we have the head tag in which we have a title and the body tag. The tags in HTML are basically of two types. One is the container tags and the other is empty tags. The container tags are the ones which have both a starting and ending like the head tag, HTML or the body tag. Whereas the empty tags only have a starting like the break line tag. My sample document also I have used the BR tag and I will show you how it works in the web. Now let's open a file with Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. You can right click and do open with Google Chrome, and you can see the title of our document was my web page and it is present here. The H1 tag had hello everyone and it is represented as a heading in a document, and these two lines were inside the P tag, which means the paragraph tag, and in between these two lines we had used the BR tag, the line break tag, due to which there is a space in between these two lines. That's it for the part 1 of this series. We'll meet you in the next part. Thanks for watching.